Out here in the desert, where nothing survives for long, something has been buried deep beneath the...
We came out here chasing a rumor. Something buried beneath all this sand, and now, that shape in the distance, there it is, buried under years of sand and rust, and let's clear it off and see what we're dealing with.
Let's clear this out first. All these webs, years of neglect, hiding what's underneath.
Completely abandoned, covered in rust, looks like it's been sitting here, untouched, falling apart piece by piece.
Rust everywhere, layers built up over years. We'll have to strip it all down to see what's left underneath.
Getting closer now, and you can see it just over the ridge. Sealed tight, like no one's touched it in decades.
All right, bring the chains in. We'll need to secure every nukta before we even try to move it.
Secure it tight. Every link matters. We can't risk anything snapping under pressure.
Easy. Steady pull, don't force it. We don't know how fragile it's gotten after all these years.
That's what we needed. Something strong enough to handle this terrain and powerful enough to pull it out. Up she goes, steady now. Don't rush it. This is the moment everything has to hold. Set it down slow. Easy, guide it into place so we don't want any damage now. And we're moving. Next stop, the workshop. Long way to go from here.
Hours pass out here, crossing miles of pustata, just sand, sky, and the road ahead.
Feel that ground. Every mile out here is tough, but we've got a long road ahead of us.
We made it. This is where the real work begins. And let's get it inside.
Bring it inside, easy now. This is where we start bringing it back to life.
It's in rough shape, worse than we thought, but there's still something here worth saving.
All this has to go. Every damaged piece, clear it out so we can rebuild it right.
All this has to go. Every damaged piece. Completely gutted. There's almost nothing left inside. We're starting from scratch here.
This part almost didn't survive. We're stripping it down carefully, seeing what can still be saved.
Time to take it apart. Every bolt, every panel. We need to see what's really underneath. It's worse underneath. Way worse than it looked from the outside. Now we can see it clearly. This is what we're working with, and it's going to take a lot to fix.
As the blue concentrate is poured into the vat, the mixing process begins, ensuring every batch meets our high-quality standards.
The high-pressure blue foam immediately goes to work, clinging to the oxidized metal and lifting away years of heavy rust and grime.
Break down the grime, let it soak in, and this is where the real cleaning begins.
Start cleaning it up, strip away all that dirt, let us see what's really underneath. Lock it in, make sure it doesn't move. This ride's gonna be rough out here.
Easy now. She's swaying a bit.
Steady, steady. Bring it to the right. Straightening the base, bringing it back into alignment, and this is where it starts to take shape again.
This part can't be saved, and we're cutting it out completely, making room for something stronger.
Strong again, that joint's locked in, exactly what we needed right there.
Rebuilding the structure, sealing it back together, making it stronger than before.
preparing the replacements, everything has to line up perfectly. No room for error here.
Back to clean metal, smoothing everything out, getting it ready for the next step. All right, easy now, bring it down slow. Looks aligned, get the bolts in.
Easy now, shift it slightly.
Looks aligned.
Stop the crane.
Lock it down tight. Every bolt counts. This engine needs to stay solid under load.
Clean alignment, every edge matching perfectly. This is how it should look.
Prepping the surface, laying down the base, this is where it all starts to come together.
Ready for color? Everything looks smooth. This is exactly what we needed before paint.
Layer by layer, building that perfect finish. And this is where the shine really comes alive.
Every detail matters, bringing Thomas back to life. It's all in the finishing touches.
Clean alignment. Every edge matching perfectly. This is how it should look.
Interior coming back. Piece by piece, bringing it all together again. Everything connected right, clean wiring, no mistakes here. It all has to work perfectly.
Everything connected right, clean wiring, no mistakes here. It all has to work perfectly.
Rebuilding the shell, lining it up just right, bringing the shape back together. Comfort restored, everything fitting perfectly. It is starting to feel complete now.
Bringing the identity back, placing the final piece. Now it's whole again.
That finish is clean, smooth as glass, and this is exactly what we were aiming for.
The moment we've all been waiting for. A fresh engine roaring to life, ready to roll once more.
Stronger than ever, proud and ready. A true masterpiece of restoration.
As the sun rises, Thomas greets the dawn, fully restored and ready to face the day ahead.
Setting it perfectly, locking in that shine. This is what makes it last. Through the vast desert, Thomas presses forward, a journey of revival, ready to carve its path once again.
Let it cure, give it time to set, and this is what locks in that perfect finish.
From the desert to the workshop, Thomas enters its final phase of restoration, where every detail will be perfected.
There we are. Absolutely flawless.
It looks incredible. Ready for the handover.
Now it shines again, back to life, stronger than ever, ready to take on the world.
As the sun sets on the horizon, Thomas embarks on his final journey, restored and ready for the future.
The first journey begins, smoothly rolling back onto the tracks. A new chapter unfolds. Almost there, looking brand new again. Just a few final details left to finish.
From the heart of the desert to a brand new beginning, this Thomas train is ready to roll again. A masterpiece in motion, restored to perfection, ready for its next adventure.
Back in the light, shining brighter than ever, ready to take on the world once again.
As morning breaks across the desert, Thomas rises with the sun. A new chapter begins. After years of stillness, Thomas takes its first steps,
rolling into a new beginning, ready to face the world once more.
Through the vast desert, back on the tracks, stronger and more alive than ever.
Layers of decay, built up over years. This is what we're up against right here.
From abandoned to alive again, Thomas stands strong in the desert light. As the sun sets on the desert, Thomas moves on, undeterred by time.
With the final pieces coming together, precision and care in every movement, the train is almost ready.
There it is, after all this time. Something's inside, and it hasn't seen daylight in decades. First time in the sun. After all these years, look at that, still holding its shape.
Now, an older female worker sprays high-pressure blue soap onto the rusted right side of this Thomas the Tank Engine toy.